on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a seed note. Switch and keep it pimpin' every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
Hey, what's going on, YouTube? And welcome back to my channel. So, for these amazing wings, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna split the wings. So, you see I have whole wings here. And what I'm doing is pretty much just separating the joints. When separating the joints, you should never be going in between bone. When separating wings, you always going in between the joints. So it should never be knife to bone action. It should be just knife to joint action. And so we're gonna get all those separated. And I showed you a couple different examples there on separating them. But when we get all those separated, now I washed these wings before I did this, and I'm gonna wash them again after I separate them. If you want any tips on washing wings or washing poultry in general, you can check out my turkey leg inspired video, my turkey leg hut inspired video, and I showed you guys how I washed my turkey, and that's pretty much how I wash all my poultry. So that video will give you a good example on how I wash it. Now what I'm doing is I got 2 pounds of wings, and this effect here is what's going to get them really crispy in the oven. I learned this from Binging with Babish. I'll link his page down below. But for every pound of wings, you want to add a tablespoon of baking powder. And baking powder is going to change that pH of that skin. And I'm going to add in a little salt with it as well. I'm not going to add too much salt because I'm going to go in with some blackening seasoning as well. But you see me taking that mixture and just dusting the chicken with it and getting that chicken tossed in it. Get it well incorporated. You want that baking powder on every piece of chicken. Then you see me going on with my blackening seasoning. Now this is what's going to give me some more flavor elements to the dish. Alright, so I got my wire rack there. I got it lined in full for easy cleanup, but that's completely up to you. But yeah, it's cleanup easy. And I'm going on with a little canola oil just so it won't stick, because we're going to let these things go in the refrigerator uncovered for 24 hours just to dry out that skin, so it ensures that we have some extra crispy skin. So that is before the refrigerator. And like I said, we did 24 hours in the refrigerator uncovered, and you see how that skin looks kind of dehydrated now. That baking powder really did the job, and it's going to finish it in the oven, but it looks perfect. That's what you want your chicken to look like, and you can feel it. It's very dry, and that's what's going to get you that. Well, those are the first steps to getting you that crispy skin that we look for in these baked wings. And so now we're going here, we'll make our sauce. I got about a tablespoon of unsalted butter, and we're gonna just melt that unsalted butter. And I'm gonna go in with maybe a little over a 1/4 cup of hot sauce, and you can use your favorite hot sauce there. It's about almost a little under 1/2 cup of hot sauce. And like I said, you can use your favorite hot sauce. I use Frank's Red Hot because that's just my personal preference. And then we're going to go in with some good quality honey. Make sure you get some good quality honey. If it's possible, use local honey. But if you can't find local honey, just get you some good quality honey. Don't use none of that imitation honey. And then the signature for this is going to be our garlic puree. I need to link a video on how to make garlic puree. But that is going to be the signature. It's very sweet. It's not potent like garlic because we roasted it off. But that's the signature to these wings, or these honey garlic wings, is that garlic puree. So we got our sauce looking very good and silky. So our wings, we finally got those out of the oven. Look how those bakes look. And I'm actually do sound so you can hear that. I want you guys to hear how crispy those wings were. Like I said, fantastic wings. So we're gonna go ahead and set up our smoker. Like I said, I did a poll on Facebook, and cherry wood actually won the poll. So we're gonna smoke these guys with some cherry wood. Now this is a cold smoke that we're doing, and it imparts flavor, but mostly through osmosis. But it's a great way to get some quick flavor or quick smoke flavor on to anything, whether it's drinks or wings. But this is the perfect way. So we're gonna go in with our hot sauce, and then we're gonna just try to get them mixed up, get every piece covered in that in our sauce. And then from there, we're gonna go ahead and get our smoker going and smoke it. Like I said, we use cherry wood this time. It would have been ideal to use apple wood, but I didn't have any apple wood, so cherry wood it was. And like I said, the pole won cherry wood, so there we go. So go ahead and get this thing smoking. Get a lid on there. Get a good amount of smoke in that bowl, and then just seal it off and just let it go. So now we got our wings done. All that smoke flavor is incredible, like it's potent. And we're gonna go ahead and get those things plated up. I usually like using a white plate. It reminds me of a canvas. I feel like an artist when I'm plating. Shout out to Chaz Allen. But yeah, there we go. We're getting all our wings on the plate, and still crispy. Smells fantastic. It's very smoky, very smoky. And we're gonna go in with some additional sauce, just that sauce drizzle. That's what makes the whole picture come together. That amazing sauce drizzle. And so there you have it, our amazing, fantastic, crispy, extra crispy, sticky honey garlic wings. Oh, look at that sauce drizzle. Man, tell me how you guys like this video, and please like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.